Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to be showing you the most important mobility that I use in my day-to-day life. And the most important benefits of mobility is right at the top, the reduction in stress and also just relaxation. When we allow the muscle to lengthen, we take stress off the joint, which then also takes stress off our muscle, ligaments, and that also affects our breathing. So when we do stretching, we not only do decrease stress, increase relaxation, but we also improve our breathing. When we improve our breathing, we also reduce stress. And when we reduce stress, what do? We put our body into parasympathetic state, which is rest and repair, which helps us to basically be in a more calm state. Also helps improve our recovery, our digestion system, which improves gut health. So all this is tied in. So what I'm going to do to you is just move through the most basic mobility extreme stretches of what's most important that I do daily. So the first one we're going to do is just the stretching of the glute. So we're going to have one leg forward, one leg back. This is what it looks like from the side. And what we're going to do with every stretch, we're just going to do a series of breathing in through the nose, holding for 4 seconds, exhaling through the mouth for 4 seconds, and then holding for 4. If you cannot do it that long, just breathe in for 4 seconds through the nose and exhale for 4 seconds through the mouth, and then improve that time as you go on. So first one, breathing in for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4, and hold for 4. We'll do it again. I'll just show it from the side view. Breathe in for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. And we can lower ourselves down if you want to get a bit of stretch into it. And repeat the process with the breathing. Okay, ideally, we want to do at least 3 rounds of the breathing, and then we'll move on to the next stretch. The next stretch we have is the stretching of the internal muscles here. Okay, we're going to lay there until I feel that stretch and uncomfortable feeling. What I do is I try and put my ankles out there if I want to get a better stretch, and then I hold. We do the same thing with the breathing again, and as we breathe in, hold that position, hold for 4. And then I like to go to the pressure point or the more painful point when I breathe out. So I breathe out and I move back. And I hold there for 4. And I bring in the process again. Hold. And exhale. And hold. Okay, repeat that process for 3. And then what we're going to do is we're going to move into the hamstring. Well, a real basic hamstring stretch. All we're going to do, have our hands relaxed on our knees, and you're just going to be breathing in for 4. Move down as far as you can. Hold for 4, and if you can, when you're exhaling, try and elongate it even more as far as you can. Repeat the process. Hold for 4 and exhale for 4. One more time. Hold for 4 and exhale and hold. Again, 3 rounds. What we're going to go to next is the stretching. This one is really, really important. We're going to use a mat for that. Is stretching the hip flexor, which is this muscle right in the front here, especially when you're doing a lot of sitting down. This muscle is going to shorten, and that can also cause a lot of problems in your knee joint, as well as lower back pain or upper pain in your glute. Okay, so that's because this muscle is really short, causing tension on the other side because the antagonist muscle has to work harder. So what you're going to do is you're going to position yourself up against the wall. If you can, put your leg up against the wall as much as possible. You're going to bring the other foot forward, and all you're going to do is sit up as much as you can, and you're going to feel the stretch in the hip flexor in the front here. Okay, you're going to do the same thing again with your breathing. Breathing in, hold, and when we exhale, try and lean back a little bit more so you get a little bit more stretch. Try and relax. Breathing in, every time you exhale, try and lean back a little bit more, get a little bit more stretch in there. Breathing in, one last time. Hold, and exhale, get a little bit more stretch. And hold. Beautiful. That's a very, very important one that I found for myself, as well as the split stretch. Now, with that hip flexor, what it looks like obviously from the side is like this. Okay, there, here. You just have to practice yourself. The more you can get that leg upright and standing straight up, the better the stretch is going to be. Okay, but having a wall is going to have a better gauge for you to be able to do that. Okay, now what we'll do is going to stretch just the shoulders. So you're going to have one arm in front of you, stick it out to the side, nice and relaxed. Do the breathing again. Breathe in for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. Move forward, move back. Ideally, what you want to be able to do eventually is have this shoulder down on the ground while facing forward. Okay, so do your breathing again. Three rounds, switch over. And you'll probably find that one side may be tighter than the other. That's okay. That's usually the case. Just spend more time on that side to release that pressure and that tension. Do the same thing with your breathing again. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 4. And exhale for 4. And hold for 4. And repeat that process. Okay. The last one I want you to do is laying on your back, and we're going to rotate the spine using the knee. So first, right leg up, you're going to bring it across, you're going to put your hand down on it, and you're going to reach up with your right hand. You're going to move that back as far as you can. You're going to start the breathing process again. Breathe in, hold, try and move them down as far as you can, relax, and exhale, and then go down as far as you can again, and hold. Breathe in again, and exhale. Each time you do that, you should notice you're able to go further and further. Okay? What that looks like from the front. We'll do it on the other side now. Left leg up, across. Left arm up to the back. And do the same thing again with your breathing. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. And exhale for 4 seconds. And hold for 4. Beautiful. Okay, that is a complete mobility stretching for me. It's real basic, real short. I either do the mobility or the foam rolling of the complete body, one day or the other, so choose wisely. Have a beautiful day. See you later.